Hi chefs, we're going to be using two products today to make a very low cost and healthy breakfast. The first one is our Nestle Garden Gourmet Professional Sausages. And so these come with a nice flavoring on them, but I'm going to bring out the Maillard reaction and to make them look even more delicious by pan frying them. So I have just any type of oil heated up here. I have a little mild vegetable oil. You could use vegan butter, whatever you like. And we're going to get this browning. So I'm just going to start this. This is a fantastic application if you follow a kosher diet or if you're Jewish, so it is wonderful for you as well. While a lot of people don't eat pork products in their diet, Nestle was able to bridge that gap, and they utilized soy in order to recreate the flavors of pork without having any animal products in it. Today we're going to be making a classic omelet, but we're not going to be using any eggs. We actually have a dry mix here called GLORIA, and in here this is completely allergy-free, completely vegan, no eggs. We're just going to be adding you just add some liquid to it, water or plant milk, and then it turns into this omelet mix. Look at this nice browning we're getting. Fantastic. Now you just want to slice your sausage, and we'll be putting this inside the omelet. Look at that fantastic browning, and inside it looks so authentic. And notice how it maintains its shape. To even make this omelet more decadent, I'm just buying off the rack vegan cheese that I found at my local grocery store. So you don't need to use anything fancy, but of course this is a very classic way to make an omelet, all vegan, all low cost, and all healthy. Now I'm just going to pour the omelet straight into our pan. Gloria has a fantastic color, texture. You cannot cook her as high of a temperature as you can traditional eggs, but she has a very similar texture, taste, smell, and mouthfeel. You can just put a little bit of cheese on here, a little or a lot, your choice. And then our sausage. It's truly remarkable how the world's largest food company is making vegan products that are so low cost. Delectable.